Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, since our channel became popular and people were introduced to southern Italy and especially Calabria, the cries went up. How do we easily get there, you asked? What about renting a car? What kinds of activities can we do? And how do we do them if we don't speak Italian all that well? And for a while it was tricky because it does take a little bit to get here, and if you don't speak Italian, it can be daunting the first time. For that reason, we here at Super Savvy Travelers have teamed up with two Amalfi with Love tours to get you started on your exploration of Calabria and especially our beautiful Riviera di Cedri. Two Amalfi with Love are a tour company run by Isidoro Langella and his gorgeous American wife, Monica. Monica tells us, "I loved him so much as a tour guide that I married him." And they are truly fun and dedicated people. Together we have created what we think is the perfect tour of our Riviera di Cedri. On day one, you arrive in Naples and are picked up by private coach and taken to the Grand Hotel de Ville in Sorrento. All of the hotels on the tour are minimum 4 stars. From there, you have a few days in beautiful Sorrento to rest up from your trip and take a gorgeous tour of the Amalfi coast. Then you make your way down via private coach to our beautiful village of Santa Domenica Talao, where you get to stay with me in Casa Cristina. Santa Domenica Talao is a gorgeous hill town packed with the most fascinating history imaginable, and you'll hear the entire story of this magical place straight from the lips of our premier architect and town historian, the famous Antonello Lucchesi. You all know Antonello from the channel, and now you get to meet him in person. You will be overwhelmed with the warm welcome from the local inhabitants and bowled over by the cuisine and the culture. While staying in Casa Cristina, you'll be taking a cooking class on Calabrian cuisine with our celebrity chef Vincenzo Grisolia. Our first class with him was a massive success and way too much fun, so stay tuned for that video so you can see what it's like. In addition, during your stay in Santa Domenica Talao, you will visit the stunning hill town of Papasidro, which we featured on the channel. You also will visit the fun and exciting town of Scalea, the jewel seaside town of Diamante, and enjoy a wine tasting tour. And you don't want to miss the visit to the Christ the Redeemer statue high atop the mountain in Maratea, where the views are just so spectacular. Meanwhile, there are group dinners and lunches with your amazing tour guides and with Chris. Bring your questions, bring your enthusiasm, and we will provide the wonder and excitement that we know you're looking for, with all of your comforts and convenience need cared for. Our April tour is coming up. We cannot wait. Check out the link to the tour itinerary below and use coupon code SUPERSAVVY and receive a special gift when you arrive at Casa Cristina. We'll see you guys soon. We can't wait.